Welcome back, guys. Got another quick video for you guys. We got the GoPro Sling cross bag. I just want to show you guys this bag right now. This bag right now is on sale for $42.49 on GoPro's website. The regular price is $49.99. This is a weather-resistant bag. I use this bag because I like it for summertime. You can carry it for winter also, but you can carry everything in this if you're going to just go out and do a light shoot. And you can carry, this is what I carry, guys. I carry my tripod, batteries, keys, ID, carry cords, my wireless mics in here. It's a great bag. It's very light, and it's like I said, it's weather resistant. And if you guys don't like the GoPro on here, you can always take a Sharpie and go over that bad boy and take that off. This is like the length of it right here, probably about 16 inches, which is real nice. And also, when I got this bag for $42.99, GoPro hooked me up and gave me one of these Enduro batteries for free, which is cool. So I can go with my GoPro. So let's open this up, take a look at it, and I'll show you everything that I put in my bag. Okay, we got, ID, passport, is the key fob here. We have the GoPro with the media mod. Here are my wireless mics that I carry with it. And here's my Ulanzi tripod, mini tripod, and my Ulanzi power bank that I carry all the time, because you never know you're gonna need that bad boy. And let's show you what else I got here. This is the other pouch here. I carry cords, power it up. I have the GoPro, what is this, light mod, which is pretty much, look at that. I'm gonna do a video on this one later. I tried doing one, but it was too dark outside. I got also a dead cat with this. I got inside for my wireless mics. Let's open this one up. And I got 3 batteries. And another thing for the media, the light mod. And I got this bad boy on there. And like I said, guys, you can just hook this bad boy up and you're ready to go. This is perfect. I'm trying to set it up. There we go. See, that's how I run it, guys. It's perfect. It's nice, That's how the back looks here. You got this strap here, adjustable. How it looks from here, It's nice, I like it. This is how the inside looks. Inside. Okay. All right. Then you got this front pouch here also. Like I said, guys, this is a quick video about the GoPro Sling cross bag. You can wear it as a fanny bag. You can wear it as across your chest or across your back. Like I said, a fanny pack, or however you want to wear it, wherever tickles your pickle. Some people like fanny bags, keep the money in and stuff like that when they're traveling. But it's up to you. All right. Peace.